Guys, this is crazy, right? Snowed out, baby. Whiteout. Can't even see the buildings anymore. This is a brutal amount of snow, for real. It's almost a foot deep, guys. Trying to show you as much as I can. And surprisingly, it's actually cold. It's usually not cold when it snows, but boy, it's cold. And the thing is, it's still coming down. Schools are shut down today. A lot of stuff is shut down today. I don't even know how these guys are working in the construction site right now. They can barely move. It's a foot deep at least over there. Crazy. Look how much snow there is. You can't even see the building in the background. It's just a whiteout. Today is not the day to be outside. You barely even see any cars on the road. Usually every now and then you see a car pass by, but a lot of people said hell to the no. I guess if you own a snowplow business, today's a good day for you. Let's see how this guy's doing down here, how he's doing. See if he can do the walk. This poor guy's struggling. Hey bud, you okay? He's actually moving pretty quick though, considering there's so much snow. Pretty crazy, right guys? This guy here looks like he's spinning out. Snow tires, brother, snow tires. That's all we can say. Just wanted to give you guys a quick video to see what's happening out here. And the snow doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon. After the wife gets home, I might have to go do a trek through the park. Just dress warm and bring you another snow video. Because this is intense. This is real intense. It's crazy actually, right? And these guys are over there working in the snow at a construction site. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're there. They're out here working in the cold and the snow. Crazy job, man. Gotta give these guys credit. Gotta give them credit, man. Trust me. City's on lockdown. Barely any cars on the roads. Really, really bad, guys. If you're outside, it's not safe out there. If you don't have snow tires and something's wrong with you, you shouldn't be on the road. But like I said, it's crazy out here. See the 3 cranes? Even they're not working. It's too dangerous. Visibility's bad, poor. It's not safe for them to do their job. These kids are just out here having fun in their little toboggans, their little sleighs. This guy looks like he's stuck. Yeah, his tires are spinning out. He can barely move. Oh, there he goes. Found some traction. Look at these kids out here having fun. That's the good thing about snow though, but it's a bit cold. If it wasn't this cold, it'd be perfect to go outside and do some fun activities with the kids. All right, guys, that's it for now.